fraction fraction means the numerical quantity which is not whole or proportion of something. Imagine 3/2. Imagine 1/2. Whole. That is not whole number. Maybe whole. Imagine this whole means all mola, which not all. Remember, which indicates that is fraction of things. Remember, which is a fraction of something. Remember. So, and such number represent fraction la. Now we will learn type of fraction la. A term itself explain that the proper fraction means which is balanced la. 1/3, 1/4, which to balance more la. When you see such type of building, it look much like a stable number, that is balanced number, that indicates something is balanced more base Bombay, that's balanced number. Such type of fraction indicates proper fraction la. The number 2, the improper fraction la. Improper fraction la. Improper fraction means something that is improper law, which is not balanced la. 5/3, 7/3, and this will be improper fraction. If we give simple example of building la, we are building when you see top is bigger more compared to base, then it does not look balanced more. Anytime it can topple, remember. So assume the improper fraction la. Now third type of fraction is mixed fraction la. The mixed fraction means something that is mixed la. Maybe watching 2 1/3, which is mixed, remember. So it is mix of whole number and proper fraction, or we can say it's a mix of whole and improper fraction la. This we can still convert into improper fraction la. 2 3 6 7. Any mixed number la, any mixed fraction, it will always, when you convert, it will represent in fraction la. That's why the mixed fraction is combination of mixed fraction is always combination of proper and improper fraction la. In next we will learn conversion of fraction la. Conversion benigila from first the mixed fraction to improper fraction la. You see the example 2 1/3. So if you want to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, you have to take 3 the same bagola. You just have to multiply this and you will get the product, and that product we have to add with this la. 2 3 6, 6 plus 1 7 la. In this way it will represent la. It give second example 3 1/5 more la. You just have to multiply this, you will get the product, and that product we have to add with this la. So 3 5 15 16 by 5 la and the same bago la same jong la. So in this way we can convert mixed fraction to improper fraction la. Number 2, we'll convert improper fraction to mixed fraction la. Imagine 7 by 2 la. If you want to convert this into mixed fraction, you have to take this la and the other bago the same video. Now what we have to do is NID always less than this down la, because we know that mixed fraction is combination of proper and improper fraction. We have seen proper fraction more, improper fraction more. So next what we have to see, here we can see mixed fraction, here we can see proper fraction la. Now less than 1 number gachi 2 the gachi la, it will always come 1 more la. 0 the mapal myo, it will always come 1 la. So that means 3 2 6 6 plus 1 7 la. In this way we can find la easily la. Then if you give second example, 9 by 4 more la. 4 you have to take there la. In this case more la, we can't say that 1 will be smaller. There's lot of number smaller than this smaller. 3 2 1 smaller. So we have to try to multiply this la, any number la. 1 we have to try with 1 also la, we have to try with 2 also, 3 also, 4 also. But this any multiplication of product of this any imaginary number into any value, it should be less than this la, it should come less than 9. So we'll try to see la. 2 4 8 on the mola. 2 into 2 an imaginary number 2 which have 2 4 8 mola. That means 8 minus 1 value 1 mola, which is smaller than 4 mola. It's correct. Now we see with number 3 mola. 3 4 12, so it's going more than 9. So we can't take number 3 mola, so we can take 2 remember. So 2 4 8 2 4 8 2 4 8, that means balance comes there 2 4 8, 9 minus 8 value 1 mola. So in this way we can represent. Now we have to always understand if you have seen my earlier video, you will know that any remainder should be always less than any position value, so it should be always less than this la. So in this way we can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction la. In this, now we will do comparison of like fraction and unlike fraction. First we will do like fraction. And the like LF is represent like fraction. Same numerator 7 by 2 or 7 by 3. This is called like fraction method because numerator same meaning is called like fraction. So in this case, which one is greater? Any number, in case the numerator is same, we have to look for number which is smaller divisor and whole chungu gadu, that is always greater la. So that means 7 by 2 is greater than 7 by 3 la. Number 2 we will do for same denominator la, same denominator. Example 4 by 7 or 3 by 7, which one is greater la? In this case same dumala denominator, but we have to look for greater numerator la, which one is greater. So any number which has greater numerator but same denominator imagine and bigger la. So 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7 la. So this is for comparison of like fraction la. Now we will do for comparison of two fraction la. Two fraction, comparing two fraction which is unlike fraction la. That's like fraction. Now we are going for unlike fraction la. Baby watching, you are given a number 1 by 3 or 3 by 4 la. Which one is greater la? We can find which one is greater without finding LCM la. If you use this logic la, tricks dani la, you have to do cross multiply la, cross multiply jab la. So 4 1 is 4 more la, 3 1 is 3 3 9. So which is greater la? Number and 9 the 4 ga greater la. So number 4 9 is greater more. That means 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 3 la. This is simple tricks to find two fraction la, which is in case of two fraction we can easily find which fraction is greater than other la, for unlike fraction la. Three fraction la, comparing three fraction for unlike fraction la, for unlike fraction using number lines method la, using number lines method. You are given number mola 3 by 4 or 1 by 10 or 3 by 8. When you see this number you get puzzle mola, so you will get puzzle. Now what we can see is these all are proper fraction mola. So proper fraction will understand that it is always less than 1 la. The proper fraction D, it will always less than 1 la. So we can easily find la now using number line la. So number line, will draw number line mola. Number line will give half on a mola, half will be here, gives 1 0. So we just know that in proper fraction the highest number is 1 mola. All the fraction for proper fraction will be less than 1 mole. Now we have to compare la, all this number we have to compare la with this half la. We have to keep half as a base la, and base we have to compare la. Now we will try to compare mola. First and compare with mola 3. First we will try to compare 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 mola. So we'll see 3 2 6, 4 1 is 4. That means this is greater mola. So we'll write here greater. That means this is greater than half mola. Now next what we do, 1 by 10 into by 2. So we have to see mola. 10 1 is 10, 2 1 is 2. So it indicates half is greater mola. So which means this is small. So we write as a small mola. Now next we have to compare 3 by 8 into 1 by 2 mola. 3 2 6, 8 1 is 8. That means half is greater mola. This also is small. So we have what we have found. This one is greater than half mola. So it will be next to 1 mola. So it indicates and the greatest fraction member and sumnale. So we have got two small mola. we have got two small, that two small fraction we have to compare now. 1 by 10 into 3 by 8, it one is 8, 10, 3, 30. Now it indicates that 8 by 3 is greater molar, so that means 8 by 3 will be here, 3 by 8 will be here, and then 1 by 10 will be here. So it indicates that this is smallest fraction compared to this, the greatest fraction. So we'll easily we can place this in order. One. Now we have got molar fraction of molar 1 by 10, 3 by 8, and 3 by 4. So now we can easily write in ascending order. 1 by 10 is smallest image, then 3 by 8 image, then 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greatest. So in this way we can compare three fractions for unlined fractions using number lines. For we will do for mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So you are given number 2 1 by 3 or 1 2 by 3. Find vanilla. And if you have to compare which one is greater, you can easily compare these two numbers and you can easily see this which one is greater. So whole number so 2 is greater than 1, so it will indicate that 2 1 by 3 is greater than 1 2 by 3. So easily we can find. Now say you are given same, you will take this same example, or 1 2 by 3. So we have to number line na 1 2 3 more. Half we are taking as a basis 1.5, 2.5 molar. Now if we have to compare molar, so it indicates we have to place place by lawachin. So where we can place this this side or this side, we don't know molar, so we can easily place so you compare these two 1.5, 1 means same do molar, so you just compare these two number 2 by 3 into 1 by 2, 2 2 4, 3 1 is 3. So 3 by 2 is greater than half, that means it will come here 1 2 by 3 will be placed here, which is next to 2 So next we will compare this 2 molar 2 1 by 3 kati place pe ya ina minus mission molar, so we can compare more. So this one is equal molar, so no need compare. We will just compare this two fraction 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, so 2 3. So indicate half is greater molar, so it will be placed here it will be 2 1 by 3. In this way we can compare the mixed fraction. Lastly, let's talk about equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means it indicates that it's same like this 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 which means equal, which is equivalent fraction. Let's learn firstly let's learn comparing of equivalent fraction. Compare vanigila. 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6 in we have to compare or prove this, that is equal to this one. When we have proved that the divide measurable, we can still divide into small fraction, so we can do 1 is 2 2 3 6. So in this way we can prove that 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. That indicates, that means 1 by 3 is equivalent fraction of or equivalent to 2 by 6 In this way we can prove 1 by 2 into 4 by 8 la wachin. Can you prove that? Can you say that these two are equivalent fraction? Yes la. How la wachin? 1 by 2. Still we can divide this into small fraction more la. So 4 1 is 4, 4 to 8. So we can say that lastly same thing more la. So it indicates 1 by 2 is equivalent to 4 by 8 la. This is how to compare equivalent fraction la. Now we will learn how to create equivalent fraction la. Now let's learn how to create equivalent fraction la. Creating equivalent fraction la. Say you are given number chijinu. So you are given now create two equivalent fraction for this number la wachin. What you have to do now? You just multiply both numerator and denominator with same number la. 1 by 3 into 2 mala 2 jamola. So will be 2 1 is 2, 2 3 6. That is 1 yasmola. So next 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 jabachin. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 9. So 2. So we have created two equivalent fraction for this number. So in this case, in this way we can create a lot of equivalent fraction in the same way. So we have already learned how to prove that mola. So 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 9 la. So 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. So in this way we can create equivalent fraction la.